Hello and welcome to another episode of New Summit Women in Tech. Today I'm really excited to welcome Shreya Devakar from New Summit Cybersecurity. For those of you who don't know, Shreya has played a very pivotal role in our growth journey. Welcome, Shreya.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me for this discussion, Suma.
Yes.
Happy to be here.
Absolutely our pleasure. Shreya, let's dive right in. So tell us a little bit about your early journey. Why did you choose technology as a career?
So my journey in tech began in Lucknow, where I completed my engineering. So I'm an electronics and communication engineer. So that naturally drew me towards technology as a career path. And I started off as a software engineer. And during those days, that was the first time I saw how technical solutions are conceptualized and delivered to the customer in a structured manner. I think that was when my interest in technology sparked, but it strengthened during my post graduation. I did my post graduation in entrepreneurship management. That is where I learned the intersection of technology and business. So after that and my time as a product manager, when I realized, okay, my true calling is building a solution or product which can solve customer problem and bring value to the business.
Absolutely, and that I can assure you that you've been doing a great job. So I think it's a very interesting combination of engineering and then entrepreneurship. So I think that adds a lot of value to what you bring to the table, I'm sure, right? So Shreya, tell me, as a woman leader, what kind of mindset changes or cultural shift do you think is crucial in the industry today?
I think in the industry today, we need to look beyond gender and we should not treat diversity as a favor, but we should look at it as a strategic advantage and stop, believing or thinking or forcing women or anybody else to fit the norm. But we should be open, or industry should be open to the various ideas of leadership, like empathy, like inclusiveness or compassion or collaboration. I think these are the things which I would say that are critical and we need to change in the industry mindset.
Absolutely, and while we pride ourselves saying that technology is one of the industries where we've really evolved, but I think we have a long way to go, and I'm sure we'll get there.
Yeah.
That's it. So Shreya, on a different note, I mean, I've known you always to be a very cool and calm and composed person. Now you are in a field of the intensity of cybersecurity is like mind-boggling, and still you remain grounded and you lead with clarity and purpose. So how do you do that?
Well, cybersecurity is a challenging field, and I think I have 3-point mantra which keeps me grounded. First one is the mindset. So I have this growth mindset where I'm always open for learning and adapting the new technology. Second is routine. So I maintain a healthy routine where I have time which I dedicate for deep work. Then I take breaks so that I can have a healthy work-life balance. And third is the trust or collaboration, where I lean on my team completely and I trust them. So I would say that is what keeps me grounded and keeps me going. And I believe in teamwork. So it's like you need to trust them and you need to give them a path to grow. So I think it's more like an effort where they are growing and they help me grow. And that's what my balanced mantra is.
Absolutely, and I think these are golden words and beautiful nuggets of information that others can take from your experience. So Shreya, extending that a little bit, what advice would you give to women who are choosing technology as a career, or even who aspire to lead in this field?
Yeah. Not only in this field, I think in any field, when we look at women leaders, so we all know that they have one more glass ceiling to break. It's not as easy as it is for their male counterpart. I would say that they should be open for challenges. They may have to, pursue a little bit more, and they need to be a little bit more passionate about it, and they need to show that okay, they are something beyond their gender. And I think if they are collaborative and they have this mindset which allow them to focus on positive then negative, that will help them grow and become a good leader, that so that they can also nurture the team once they become the leader.
This is fantastic. These are great gems of advice, I think, which any of the young women can, benefit from. So thank you, Shreya, for that. Okay, we're all done with the serious questions now for a little fun and the rapid fire. Shall we?
Sure.
Okay. All right. So, Shreya, one word that defines your leadership style.
I would say it's empowering, because I believe in empowering others, and actually, it's not that I am empowering them, it's they are empowering me. I would say I believe in teamwork.
Absolutely, very well articulated. One tech trend that you're most excited about.
I think it's not just me, everybody is excited about generative AI. So I'm also excited about generative AI and what kind of changes it can bring to the cybersecurity or technology in general.
Absolutely, I think that's like the crazy buzzword
Yes,
going on,
yes.
and wherever you go, it's all
AI
AI.
everywhere.
AI is taking over the world, I say. Okay, so a myth about cybersecurity which you'd like to bust.
Uh, I think when we talk about or hear about cybersecurity, everybody feels that it's all about tech. But more than tech, it's about people. It's about people, their behavior, and the way they do their day-to-day tasks. It's not about your daily routine, but the way when you are working on your system or any of your devices, it's your behavior and your awareness that makes the difference. So cybersecurity is more about people than about technology.
Oh, that's very, very, very powerful what you said right now, and that's true. It's all the human mind at the end of the day, right? So, yeah. So, okay, let's go a little deeper. One thing you tell your younger self, just starting.
Okay, I think I would tell my younger self. I think I already said that. That's what I say to the freshers or my younger colleague. It's never stop learning. Always be open to learning and be ready to indulge into new technology, new trend, what is happening around you, whether it's your industry or in any other industry. So yeah, I would say open to learning. Don't ever think that you know everything. It's like there is always scope to gain the knowledge.
Well, if I know you, Shreya, I'm sure the younger Shreya was as responsible and as smart as earlier. So, all right. So, last question. If not tech, what alternate career would you choose?
Uh, okay, if not tech, I think I'm very, very interested in education. So either a teacher or I would have been a research scholar. So that is like
Wow.
something that always excites me. I always want to go back to college,
Wow.
even today. So that is the place where I feel that if not tech, that is where I belong.
Wow, and I think your choice of doing a master's after your
Yeah.
engineering after so many years itself proves that you are a constant learner. You're always a learner.
Yeah.
I think
And academia is something that always fascinates me.
that's fantastic. Fantastic, really fantastic, and that's so inspirational for a lot of people, including me. So, so anyways, thank you so much, Shreya. Thank you for. I know you're a very busy lady, but thank you for taking our time for this interview, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.
I enjoyed it a lot, and thank you so much for having me here.
Absolutely our pleasure. And to our viewers, I hope you enjoyed that insightful conversation with Shreya. Looking forward to many more such episodes with bright women at Q Summit.